To make your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra vibrate when you insert or remove S Pen, you have to enable the vibrate option for your S Pen. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. Next, scroll down the screen. Tap more S Pen setting. And then tap the gray on offset next to vibrations until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your phone will vibrate each time you insert or remove the S Pen. Given to the function, this feature provides a helpful vibration feedback to let you know when the S Pen is being inserted or removed, making it easier to keep track of your S Pen status without looking at the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.